In this saxophone lesson, I'm going to teach you We Wish You a Merry Christmas step by step on the alto saxophone. I'm going to teach it in the key of G major, but you can learn these fingerings on any saxophone, even if you play soprano, tenor, or baritone. So we're starting on the note D, and this is what the first phrase sounds like. So in this first phrase, we're just using the lower range of the sax. We're not pressing octave key, and we're using the notes of G major, which are G, A, B, C, D, E, and F sharp. So we're starting on the low D and going up to G for those first two notes. So that's the first phrase of We Wish You a Merry Christmas. My name's Alexander Matthias from saxophonemasterclass.com, and if you want to download the sheet music, the fingerings, and the note names, there's a link below this video to my website where you can download the fingerings right away. That's really going to help you with following along to this lesson. It's completely free, and if you do that now, you'll be able to follow along to this lesson a lot easier. So there's a couple of little things I want to show you in this first section, but then we're going to move on to the second section of the song. So in this first phrase, we're doing this pattern where we play G, G, A, G, F sharp, E. And then we do the same sort of pattern up starting on A. And then on B as well. So I'm actually playing the side C here to make it easier to play those notes. But basically it's just that pattern repeated again and again. So practice each one of these patterns individually. And just repeat it again and again. Try tonguing every note of the song as well. And then finally we have the last few notes of this section. So we're repeating the D note by tonguing it twice. E, A, F sharp, middle F sharp to G. Now we're going to move on to the second section, and we're also going to start on the low D here, leading in to G. So in this section, we're actually introducing the D with the octave key when we play. And this is kind of hard to get because you're going from D with the octave key down to the low D. But a great way to get these two notes is to actually tongue both of them. So practice just going from D with the octave key down to low D. In fact, it's going to be a lot easier to get all the notes of this song if you're tonguing every note. If you want to learn more about tonguing notes on the saxophone, I actually link to it at the end of this lesson. So let's move on to the last section of the song, which is actually identical to the first section of the song. Let me play it for you. So again, it's identical to the first part of the song. You just repeat it after you play the second section. I really hope you enjoyed this lesson. Let me know in the comments below, and check out this next lesson if you want to learn more holiday songs.